Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 1st to August the 3rd reading. Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. If it didn't resonate with you, then it's not your reading, no? Huwag po tayong mag-react um, ng violent, no? Kung hindi nagre-resonate sa inyo, no? So, again, pag hindi ko sinabi ang name ninyo po dito, so, tapos hindi nag-resonate sa inyo, huwag niyong i-claim. Sasabihin niyo, sama naman ang reading, no? Hindi ko naman binanggit yung name mo. So, this is, again, general, no? So, Libra, I want you to know na yung X-Files po, hindi ko na dito i-post, no? Doon na po siya sa Facebook. So, if you still care about your exes, doon po siya sa Facebook, no? So, Libra, magsimula na tayo. Parang ang nakikita ko dito, sobrang tagal na natin nag-aantay sa isang bagay na parang feeling natin hindi naman matutupad. Nag-aantay tayo sa isang pangako na parang feeling mo ang tagal na, nakalimutan na yata, hindi na yata mangyayari, no? For a few numbers of you, parang nakakita ka dito ng disengagement, no? Parang si person yata, parang pakiramdam mo, hindi na yata naaalala, no? Na meron pa siyang jowa or may kailangan siyang balikan for those who are in literal, no, separation, hindi lang energetic. So parang parang ang tanong mo dito, ang gago naman pala nun, no? Para kasi pinag-antay mo ako dito, you said siguro, no, it might be verbal, it might not be, or it might be verbal or it might be through actions, and probably you assume, no, kasi parang yun yung gustong iparating na I'll be going back, no? Parang magpapahinga lang tayo for a little while. And then, parang may nakakarating sa akin dito kaya ako naiinis, no? Kaya ako nanggigigil. Aba, nag-move on ka na pala ng hindi ko alam, no? So parang, uy, sandali. Ang alam ko, we are cool off, no? Parang nagko-cool off lang tayo. Yung pala nagmo-move on ka na pala. Hindi man lang ako na-inform. So parang meron ako nakikita dito or nababalitaan. It could also be my gut feeling, no? Na my person is already moving forward. So ang nakita ko dito, parang nasayang yung time ng pag-aantay ko, no? Nasayang yung time na parang you caged me in, no, sa isang lugar because there is actually a promise or a false hope, no. I fell into it. Yun yung kinakainis ko, no, as a person. Kung sinabi mo sa akin sana na mas maaga, no, na I'm moving forward, we can call it quits, you need to move on, then matatanggap ko pa, no? Kasi you're being honest with me. Pero nung sinabi mo sa akin na wait lang, so kapag sinabi sa akin wait lang ano? So I am assuming or I am expecting that you're gonna return. No, wait lang, aantayin kita mag-move on bago ako mag-move on, gago ka ba, no? So with the Six of Pentacles and the Four of Cups, I feel like there's actually a misunderstanding here of the wait lang. The Four of Cups parang, did my person already said it in a way para hindi ako masaktan? So parang, ngayon lang nag-sink in, yung wait lang pala na yun is, actually, that's it, no? We can call it quits. Pero kasi, iba yung interpretation ko, which is not sa interpretation ng kung ano yung wait lang, diba? With the Six of Swords and the Stars. So, I also feels like, Six of Swords, it kind of like you're heading towards into a calmer water. Parang feeling mo kasi dito, you stop me from moving forward. Gusto mo ikaw mauna, no? Gusto mo ikaw ang mauna kasi alam mong makakakuha ako agad ng replacement. So, is that egoistic of you na parang maaapakan ko ba yung bayag mo, no? Kapag ako yung naunang nag-move forward, no? So, masakit sa'yo. Paano yung sa akin? Kasalanan ko ba kung ako yung mas attractive kesa sa atin? Parang nandito na yung energy ng gigil, no? Um, ang labo mo pala kausap no? Yung ganong feeling na gusto mong sabihin with the Eight of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Um, Seven of Pentacles is actually a sign of, I planted the seed, I'm waiting for it, no? The Eight of Pentacles is I'm going to work for it. The Nine is my harvest, no? With the Seven of Pentacles, I'm waiting I'm waiting for my harvest. I'm waiting for whatever seed that I planted to grow. So me waiting, I'm waiting for you to come back. But the Eight of Cups, you're walking away, pero yung kumbaga, mahal pa rin kita pero ginigil mo ko sa ginawa mo ngayon. Kaya ang pakiramdam ko dito, you're you're throwing all the memories sa sobrang galit, no? Kasi para sa iyo, it was a form of betrayal. Well, that's actually a form of betrayal with the Lovers and the Five of Pentacles in here. You you cut the idea of sabihin natin, hindi na ako naniniwala sa love. So even ngayon yung pangarap, no, na magkaroon ng someone to be with you, parang nawala na. Parang you're stopping also yourself from being loved by someone. So it makes me feel like you lost the faith in humanity per se, no? For a man or a woman, with the Queen of Wands and the Three of Swords dahil sa sobrang sakit, no? Para kasing walang closure. Ang closure na yun ay parang wait lang. Yun na pala yun, the Six of Cups and the Ace of Swords. You didn't expect that you're gonna receive this kind of betrayal because you're wishing and hoping for the connection to have its revival. You're still missing the person pero sa ngayon mas nangingibabaw yung ines, yung galit dahil I feel like pinagmukha mo kung tanga. No? That's actually it. No? Yung heightened energy, yung heightened emotion, no? Pinagmukha mo naman akong tanga ng kakaantay. Nag-move forward ka na pala. No? So our love will never cease to exist, and what's the point of it all? And I feel like, yes, I know it's a contrary card, or the energies here are contradicting. So does what you are hoping in the past, no? Na parang this connection is going to have its revival, reconciliation. That's actually a hope, no, that my person gives me. But what's the point now of waiting if you are already moving forward? Like, what the fuck, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person, Libra. This could be your sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Scorpio, no? Pisces is also here. Capricorn, yep. I think I mentioned that. So this is your reading, Libra. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV. So may mga readings din po tayo doon, so might as well check on it. So Libra, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung form, no, for you to ask. Nandun po yung how much per questions. Nandun po yung um, number, yung name, no? And you can also avail the promotion of 4 questions plus 1. Now take advantage of it. That's already a discounted price. If you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? Pakibaba na lang po. So tuloy pa rin ang ating Manhunt, Libra, no? Doon nasa description box din po yung fake accounts na pwede nyo i-report, screenshot, and then send it to the designated email para po makabunot tayo ng free personal reading. Ayan. Again, yung ito pong X-Files, doon na po siya sa Facebook ha. So if you still care about your exes, nandun po, no? Para ma-separate natin. Kasi yung mga moving forward, at least nandito, no? Yung mga still care for the excess nasa Facebook, no? So, this is your reading, Libra. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.